Hey, this is Yogesh, and in this video I'm going to show you a complete demo of VidZ Presso. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is the screen that we get. Hey, this is Yogesh, and in this video I'm going to show you a complete demo of VidZ Presso. So this is the dashboard. So once we log in, we will be seeing this screen. This gives pretty much the entire overview of our complete system. So it shows how much, the first row shows how much campaigns created, leads and automation, and the second row shows how much leads we have got according to the country and the recent leads, and the third row shows how much YouTube events has been created, that is day wise, and this widget shows how much active YouTube accounts we have, and how much pending events, completed events, and events that has been errored out, and the total images that we have in the system, and the videos as well. And in this row we can see the exact event that has been created along with its link and the channel name, and here the pending events, and here the events with error. When we click on this, we'll come to know the exact error code that has been returned by YouTube. For example, live streaming not enabled, which means this particular channel doesn't have live streaming enabled. And this is the notification. This is basically a timeline based on like day, week or month, like what has been done and what has not been done with the events and all. And the final row, this shows the leads, the actual leads, and the list, like how many leads we have got in the list, and we can also export the list as a CSV by clicking here. Okay, and the top sources, this will usually show the referrer, that is the links from where we got the leads. Okay, and in this widget we'll see images and videos, like the number of images and videos we have in the system. So this is all about dashboard. Now here, this is the settings menu. Here we can do our first time setup, that is our Facebook setup, Google setup, and the autoresponder setup, and SMTP profiles as well. So here we'll be creating an app. These two are very important first time setup. And autoresponder, here we will be setting up our autoresponder. We have integrated with 10 plus autoresponders in the system. All you need to do is just to give the API key and it will work. And this is the SMTP profile. If you want to take advantage of our inbuilt autoresponder system, that you need to create SMTP profiles, and you can select individual profile per campaign. You can set up all those things here. And this is the project. This is where you will be creating a project, that is VidZPresso's project. It is a simple 3-step project. So in the first step, you will be entering the campaign name, URL, selecting the video, and then selecting the intro videos. In intro video, you can either select a custom video, or you can use Pixabay images, or else you can use your own images. And the same thing goes for outro as well. And here is the thumbnail. You need to select a thumbnail for the video. So let me create a campaign and show you. Taste 1, 2, 3. And I'll just select a video here, and for intro section I'll just leave blank. Outro also I'll leave blank. For thumbnail, I'll select a thumbnail here. I'll click on next. And this is step 2. Here we'll be selecting a list. This is basically our inbuilt list, that is the list of VidZPresso system where all the leads will be saved. And here, if you want, you can enable an automation workflow, that is the automated sequence of emails that will be sent from our VidZPresso system. So you can select any automation what you want, and then you need to select the SMTP service as well. that is the SMTP profile. And the next option is external autoresponder. Here you need to select the autoresponder which you want, and then the list. And now this is like custom URL. If you want to add your own domain, like for your own branding, you can do that. And that's all. This is all about second step. Third step is the step where you will actually configure all your YouTube live events data. So let's see. So here you need to enter your events title. I'll just enter as sample title, and here you need to enter a description, sample description, and the tags. So I'll just enter some dummy tags, and here you need to select a channel. So right now we have this channel. We need to add a channel which we'll be doing in our first time setup. So after that you need to select the category, date and time, and then time zone, and then click on submit. So once you click on submit, an event will be created in your channel, and that's gonna pull in all the traffic and send all the traffic to this particular URL, which will be the first line in your description. So this is how the campaign works. And this view project, this is where you will be checking out the projects that you have created in the past, and how many clicks you have got, how many leads you have got from that, and if you have set up any automation, then it will also show the automation setups name here. So this is all about this generated URL, that is view project. And this section will help us to add a new list into our system. So you can add list, view list, and export the list as a CSV from this section. And this is the list export page. This is the page where we can export all the contents of a list. We can also add a filter, that is from date and to date, that is the leads added from and to date, and also we can sort them by country. Okay, so this is how list export works. And now let's move to automation workflow. Here we can configure a sequence of emails, that is whenever a list gets added into our system, and if we have an SMTP profile setup, we can instruct our system to send them emails on a regular period. That is, we can instruct the system to send one email today, one tomorrow, like that for up to 31 days. So this is what we call as workflow. We can create a workflow and we can add any number of emails to it. So as soon as a lead comes in, the email will start going to them. And this is the page where we can see queued emails and workflow email history, that is like how many emails has been sent to which user. And like this is all about automation. Now let's move to email templates. Here in an automation you will be adding several emails, so there is a good chance that we will be using the same emails again and again. So that is why we have added email templates, where you will be creating a template and you can reuse it like as many times as you want. So this is what email templates does, and this is the research. Basically this will research and get you the best product from JVZoo. All you need to do is to enter a keyword and the system will return a lot of results, that is only good products. Okay, so we basically use we basically use JVZoo to get the results, and the results will also have a link to the JV page where you can directly apply and get the product approvals. And this is all about research. And in the custom domain we can, like for example, for the traffic generation URL, right now we use our own domain. If you want to use your own domain, then all you need to do is to download a script, upload it, and then add the domain here, and it will be working. It is as easy as it looks. So that is about the custom domain. And the subuser, this is where you can add a subuser, that is our agency version. And these are our support links, and this is done for you campaign page, that is our OTO3. and this is the dashboard link, and this is the link for YouTube accounts, and this is the video gallery where you will be uploading the videos. And here, like, you can upload the videos, if it's a small video you can upload it directly, and if it's a large video you can upload it in a Dropbox, and then you can pull from Dropbox with just few clicks. And this is the image gallery where you can like upload all your images. And this is the analytics page. This is the page where you will get in-depth information about all your leads. For example, like total clicks, total leads, conversions, and leads according to the countries, and the leads, how many leads has been added in how many days, like leads added according to the dates here, and the sources, and the last visited leads, and where they have been added, and the exact date and time as well. So this is about analytics, and this is a synchronized to autoresponder section. This is for those people who have already started campaign, and then later at some point of time if they want to sync their list with an autoresponder, they can do that with just few clicks here. So basically you just need to select your list and then select the autoresponder and its leads and its list, and then click on sync. Our system will automatically add all the leads from this leads list to the autoresponder list. So that's all about our VidZPresso system. So do let me know if you need more information about it. Thank you, buddy. Bye bye.